Why giving me low network? Hey, my people. May I call this music? I don't want to talk. I don't come to talk too much, my people. I salute you now. Good evening, wherever you are. I believe Mega Comrade, probably gonna be coming out later, so I don't know, but I have to check. This one, Cross River State commissioning one solar power energy. One traffic light, just one, not be say 100, not be say 2,000, just one. You see security everywhere. This one a public toilet way imbued. The house where they this back, if government build this type, na bad thing, that house where they inside there so. So I know just much get time, just want to show some certain things and talk about it. You can see both Mopo, all of them, they come commission just one solar traffic light. One solar traffic light. This one are waiting our PDP and APC they do. Just one, not be say now two, just one. Look at the electorate, look at the people who follow and come. Look at everybody. He arrived here with plane just to come and commission one solar power traffic light. Are we moving forward or we are going backward? Look at the traffic light. Just one, not be two. See how our people wrap them. They want to come and commission this one. Just here. Are we moving forward? We are going backward. According to a message, a word here, you can just, when you still come out, you go see waiting Delta State. Waiting, I try to talk here, say not be just one place. Delta State, Patrick Uka, former commissioner of information in Delta State, in about a million, all millions, about in a million of naira scandal. Now the thing they affect and so. So what did he do with the million? He used 18.7 million Take buy camera. Just camera. 80.7 million I use for a camera. Waiting that they try to talk about my people. I don't want to not be say I come to too much talk, but I just want to show us some certain things so that if you still they think about PDP, APC, now be say that person, he got better pass that person. He got better pass you as a person if you are still thinking about APC and PDP. You be human being. Why I show this one wey be say catch fire small. If I get time, I go show you something. Make I show you how Oyibo take dey quench fire within a seconds. These people are being deported back from Libya. We get about 195 people return back from Libya. See them. So we never know which kind of job our government create. They wait for them. So I they come make I can't let una see am. Make una see wetin I they try to talk about. I just they show you the picture first, so that make you see the people where they lead us. That one a Chinese man way they defraud us. I don't want we don't want to too much go. APC then they protest. See that they come out that they protest for Southeast Youth Council. You see that they protest for ANEC office. The purpose of protesting I don't know, just for their selfish interest. So anyway, my people, waiting that they try to talk about now, BD say, how can a normal human being, a government, a governor, come out, go to commission, solar, just one traffic light. One, not be 100, not be 1 million, not be 1,000. One traffic light, carry everybody along, go to commission one traffic light. So my people, I beg. Waiting, I try to talk here, say, what we need to do. How are we going to get out of this situation? If we all not cooperate, if we all cannot come together, if we all cannot be talking the same thing, if we all cannot be reasoning the same way, if we all start to reason well, I think the problem will become nothing. We go fear eradicate all these people, go pour the pool for one month, pour acid, pour quota, pour petrol on top of them, make all of them burn. So that make we all forget peace for once. The world itself, Nigeria, when God give us, he say, may we come here, may we come live. He not say make we come here, come suffer. But today you can see suffering everywhere. What are we saying? Wait till they pay me. How can the police people come along with a governor, come the commission one solar traffic light, and he build public toilet. I hope so now see the kind of public toilet where he built. Each state, wait now I try to talk, each state get their whole problem. And if you can't look at the problem now, the same. See how wait CBN they tell us now, say, he say small time, una go bankrupt. See CBN, see the man face, una know him face now, see CBN say small time, una go bankrupt. In the one una done now. So make una know now. All these are APC and PDP people. Undermining say if you want to talk and we'll say this one different. No, they are all the same. So my people, I go take God beg una. As most of our people now, people will be the APC and PDP, they don't see and say, yes, now true. Now me and they always they talk. And I see my brother today, now he come and he talk about and say, we won't there. And true, they themselves don't they pass through the thing too. How come they go tell you say they want do road? The road they not they do one. People where they village not they see we road to bring their crops out. Can't say. Who manage go there now? Gary was supposed to be maybe 2,000 naira in a cup. That one will go there and I go the price 100 naira because now laying one day there. We are about 100 people put Gary for ground. One person they come, now one come buy am. He go finish money again, and those people buy all year. Then they suffer for firewood. Then suffer, come plant the Gary. They clear grass. Before they come feel achieve those things, come become Gary, come fry and come turn to Gary. How those people take retrieve back or get back those stress they pass through? Those village, our mama, papa, how? And all the suffer now through then some of the still they train their children through university and schools. Now so then go now, so we go the day, see public toilet. Where governor build. Governor now build this one, say na public toilet. And the people wey say wey they call themselves education, wey they educate, people wey they call themselves say they educate, they are educated. They no fit see all this one for their state. Make them tell this man say, which kind nonsense be this? Which kind nonsense be this? Now so we go the day, my people, how a normal human being go come out from public, see all Okada people. Our people, wetin I try to do, I need to let our people begin see am say na wrong thing for a governor to come commission just this one solar traffic light. See how Nigeria wey we dey look say na im wise pass, Nigeria wey we dey look say na im no pass, na im be correct place, correct, and na im be the whole. When you talk about Africa, na Nigeria everybody dey look up to. Now we dey commission, we still dey commission one solar traffic light in this 21st century, where the police governor will dress, he go carry police, carry everything, come dey commission one traffic light. My people, abeg, we need to wake up. This one a wrong thing. See the man head, see am. He himself know say wetin they do, so they no dey do am for even where they no dey do am for even Ghana, neither Cotonou, but na only Nigeria now this kind thing dey happen. See am now one solar, see am na be this, now wetin see am now, so they take right hand. Cross River State deputy governor arrive with entourage to commission one solar traffic light. Not be me talk am, and na true. Now so it be, not be say I see am for news, I don't read that for different things. So my people, I just want to show us, make we know, say all these things not be just one place, the thing they continue. So I don't want to take our time, because I sure say mega company will be coming out any moment. So waiting, I try to talk just to wrap up waiting that they put to now yesterday. Say if we as a youth, or you as a Nigeria, we don't sing I pledge to Nigeria my country, right from school Gary till date till now, Nigeria, you never know what be the meaning of say you pledge to serve your country, and you still allow these people to they dupe you. I beg, wake up from your sleep. It's a wrong thing to see that our people in the village, they are still passing through here. It's a wrong thing that to see say yes, civilization never reach anywhere. Now the same way we take a build house without plan, town planning, without better plan, say yes, where water will pass through way, a new community, new developed area. Now still the same idea where they use since 1960 something. Now they still they build house in date. No different. So my people, when I try to talk about all these people, we need to find a way to tell them, make them go relax, let other person take charge. May God bless you all, as you all are always following. I will continue to keep you all in post, because there's a lot of things when I get to talk about, to show, way really important, but I know say mega go they come at any time, so I don't want to distract them. So I take God beg una, anyhow una see am, Vision 2020, it don't come. Not use bad eye, tell look am. Not use wicked eye, tell look am. Not look and say, what did this man do before it too pain you? It is just too bad. But if you by yourself can't go check back and front now, who now see now where be say go help the country? Because with the thing say all these things what we talk about now, after all, this person at my party, after all, this person at my party. Now your party. I don't ask this question tired. You go market, make market woman sell for you because of say you and an APC or PDP make it sell for a PDP or person way day another party high make it concept for you cheap. Or you go dey pass road, make the road dey smooth for you because say you be PDP and APC, road wey be spoil, you pass, you no go, your tire no go punch or you no go stress. You go buy fuel or NEPA will give you light, go seize poor people own, seize other people wey not dey your party. Then because say you be PDP or APC, go can't give you light, your own house go dey on. No, now still the same people. Now only these kind of people now we call the commission one solar power traffic light. Only one as a governor, a man who is in charge of millions, who dey in position of millions, call the commission one traffic light. And this man, he go reach now, still come out. Nobody go ask him question because APC and PDP Now they still dey the police. Now then dey the court. Now then dey the judiciary. Now then dey everywhere. When you talk about the House of Reps, House of Assembly. So who go judge each other? We will be commoners, whether they see us nobody, and now we neither they collect money from. So now we supposed to unite. Make we all unite. Make we all come together. Make we all find a way to forgive each other. Make we all begin to understand, say, abroad, the people wey start to dey build abroad, not be today they build them. If you go see the year where they start to dey build train, until date now, all the people where they come, go check the train where they use before. Now, may I say na hand they push train before for abroad. But today, come go check the kind train where they use. All the train where they use now, go check kind of different. All these people, then they add more. Then they bring more. Then they think of innovation. Then they think of new things. Then they think of how to make it more better. If this one want do better than the one we first do before. But make una check Nigeria. The governor we first come before, he no fit do one solar power energy. The one we come now, they do one. And this one I call himself 21st century governor. In this present time, well other country don't they think about how to they use electric water motor till they move. They think about how to take the say yes, ordinary carton go they fly for head, they carry people. But now they think about how to go backward. So my people, waiting make me they talk these things. If all these people since 1960 something years ago till now, they not get any plan for us for grant. Nobody think about say yes, Nigeria as a Nigeria, we're supposed to get train where they pass underground. We're supposed to get drillage where be say go carry water. That water tomorrow will still use them for that thing. We're supposed to say when policeman, when person do wrong, the penalty, the way they follow and go follow and well in public. The whole issue as if person thief money for any offices, the problem where they follow and so as they talk and say yes, now penalty of death, it go follow on until we begin get the kind of people we go to do all these things. Our people, now this kind of government, where they can commission one solar power traffic light. The public toilet we built, now this kind of people, where they can't build one public toilet will not make sense, will not even get meaning, it not get head, it not get tail. I want to make I show now the public toilet very well. Make una see what person they use a whole state money they do with all the allocation. See the toilet. See what person can commission. May I let una see and where. See what a whole governor can commission. See the grant. See how can a person where be say call himself governor? You want to commission a place? Go now look the grant. Look the grant. Tell me which year this man will come back and finish this job. Which year he they come back? See this building. Mona see they see they build this kind of building for this 21st century. This building not be the building where they built since 1950 OD. Not be that they build this kind of house. See this kind of building. And the governor come here, come commission this kind of thing. So my people see, Mona see, not be saying that life. It show where you see, go see the tire put now they already right hand. This is one project. And when I begin give you the how much they spend for this project, una go understand what they pay me and where they come from. When I try to talk about, say, this is not just they happen for just one state. Or the whole state. Now the same way. So my brothers and sisters, you they benefit from these people. And because of say they benefit, what about your neighbor? What about one of your members of your family? What about all those people where be say you we can go school together? Are they benefiting from these people? These people, are they benefiting from them? Make you ask yourself question now. A governor, what did government be before? Government now to come and build and repair and put this in order. But if una dey check, no una check am. A white man go come as a government. As they come, everything way government they do, now they go do. Everything way be say yes for the citizens, they go benefit, now they go do. They go create all. But may una check am now, Nigeria be this. Look this road now. Just look this road now where this man come the commission. This man supposed to come here to come here say one come commission. You're not supposed to blame the contractor wey do all this job. See dust everywhere. Before you come the next day now, this building don't turn to shit. And this is a government. This is a governor coming to commission this kind of thing. And my people, make we dey ask ourselves question. You dey benefit. Your family, your member, your classmates, those days who na both go primary school, go secondary school, university come out, dem dey this area, they not dey benefit. Make you ask yourself question. If you with time, you can't go see that your friend that time, that girl or that boy who you like that time, you can't go see him again, maybe in next 20 years. He can't tell you say he did this kind of area and water don't carry house. How you go? You not go feel pity. Make we all dey talk true to ourselves. All these people who will see as PDP and APC member, they be ritualists. Make una think, you see una because I say they give una small money, una they follow them. Make we think of how to find one soccer we go pour all these people put. So that make we feel see person we move for free by ourselves. I believe say you self where they follow them, you get good heart past all these people. If you say me you really do, I believe say you not go want do this kind of thing. You not go want even create this kind of thing. Call the commission one solar traffic light one. Your government go you just dressed up. See, and you just dress up. You call the commission one solar power energy. See, for waiting now. See, and now not me right hand. See, I don't want to write anything, and I don't want to talk too much. See, I'm gonna read that. Deputy Governor of Cross River State. See, arrive to commission one. See, now one traffic light. I see, you see, roundabout. See, not be me. See the name of the area. Now be this. So see, local government. See, with one shop complex, 10 unit, just 10 unit toilet. Una see, and this one are people who want put our trust or put our life, put our life up on their life, put our unborn children on their hands. Which year our children, our family will come get up tomorrow, come out from their home, or our children come out, say yes. We be giant of Africa. They see they do this kind of thing. You where they support these people. Maybe you ask yourself question now. If you by yourself come out, can't say make you do. I believe say you go do well. Find how you will get out from these people life, because these people they don't take oath. The oath where they take not to do good, not just to come and destroy, to take money. Because one thing we will not understand. Person wey non fee, wey call himself governor, deputy, representative, chairman, local chairman. Most of those chairman wey be say they will go carry all those village people money, and in the name of say they want give them road. All those one ain't wicked pass. All the House of Assembly who get for Edo State, all these people they will gather there. They do wish meeting, only just to the chop money to come they put price for everything. They stress everybody. At the end, you know they see anything that they use. Then they use those money till they do. So my people, so you now what they get from these people, ask yourself this question. The moment you don't get from these people finish, they can't use that a whole million of pounds of dollars, billions, trillions till they give you one traffic light. How many days or weeks or months you think say this traffic light now go last? And there is no engineer, they don't put any engineer where be say tomorrow or next year we go they rectify or they come they check this thing, they fix time back again if it's spoil. You will don't collect money now, you don't come out. At the end, this traffic light goes spoil. Who go come ask them? Nobody. So why we not fit just think? Say, yes, if we get the right person, all this is now more money. Solar power energy now more money, now small thing. Now just if somebody give you self, you way they can't join these people. Just like this woman now, where they call her Patrick Uka, where be say former commissioner of information in Delta State, in millions of naira fraud, a scandal, where go do where that one just the scatter. And you see, a former commissioner now of information in Delta State, you see how much he just squander for camera. John Coker, how much be camera? The real camera, John Coker knows my brother. How much be camera? Better camera. How much? May they give me just only 1 million. I not even ask of the 18.something billion now, million now. 1 million. Me, I go buy the 10, can't give them. And the same time I go buy that things, give one all the stand there follow. So one about ourselves check her. Now so we go they follow these people like zombie. Now so we go they allow these people. Somebody can't give you out of the for 10 camera, B3 camera, 5 camera. He can't use he can't use 80.7 million. They buy her. Then he come now, he can't give you just 100,000 or he can't give you one car. May you by yourself think now. Tomorrow fear go let you go ask and say, give me why you do this kind of thing. Not be you, not think and say you they enjoy now. You will get one car or you get about 20,000 million from your hand or 1 million from your hand, their hand. Not think and say you they do yourself. You they do your children's children. That area now, there is no way surveillance camera go come dey that area. Instead of police to sit down for office, they tell you say see wetin dey happen for your community. Then go still they tell you say you get money for fuel. How many thieves dey there? How many people can rob you? But if to say they use this 18-something million now, 7 million now, they really buy better camera with solar energy. I tell you my people, you go see say police, securities agent, they go stay their office. Now from their office, they know what they have for outside for your community. But one person now chop this money, who go ask this person? Police papa corrupt, army corrupt, custom corrupt, immigration corrupt, DSS corrupt, EFCC corrupt, president corrupt, governor corrupt, senator corrupt, commissioner corrupt. All the people where they say we're supposed to do the right thing, all of them corrupt. With the head corrupt, who go come help us? Peter, you say make I tell you, amigo, may you go at those days before you go do this. You do well. Waiting you go do for me now. I thank you. Say you even get the mind to say you don't see and say yes. The country not good. Help you can even be part of all this whole thing. You can't. Nothing say amigo na get at those states or na get the na one good. No. All these things before me come they come and they do this kind of thing because say it concern me now. Me still get her. So now make me. If you back no person where you know say it better pass as you they take the looking, you get her. Bring her come out. We don't want person where be say go they can't cheat us again. We want person where be say when you say sacrifice. If you put person say this road go take care of her. The other one come say schools in go make sure say computer full all classes. And then the hospital I go make sure say all their bed machine to take do surgery to take do everything transplant it go dey. Then the people where they put person wey be say as it not bring out the money come out say take go do exhibit this project. Person wey be say yes go fit get up because he no go there go tell them say go bring your own company or your own engineer make dem come go dey do all those things. Now really people wey dey do am now he put there. But if you get that kind of person now, we go they come they do all this right thing, my brother. Bring them out. Me no mega comrade. This one where you see what they call him, the other man go come and say one big governor. The other one will come and say one big governor. If all of them get the good heart as this man get, I think say if all of them come and serve, you go see say 1 second now this man go take walk along with all of them. I know the kind of person where that man be. I know mega comrade. If those people really come with good intention, say they really made way to do good for Edo State, this man will allow me all of them work together. If you remember me when they talk so, and the man say not, but my voice go tell you, when Omoyele Sowore they campaign, Kisli Alo they campaign, the Dorotoye they campaign, all of them they campaign, all of them come out. Waiting at the talk that time, make una join hand together. PDP and APC not be people wey be say una they go everybody go scatter can't go they fight these people. Everybody join hand together make una form coalition make una come together. All of una wey be say una want take power. Make una join together make we see how we take power from PDP and APC. Not be una no want take power from mega comrade. All of them you see any of them join together. But make all these people now get up tomorrow. This man waiting they call him again. Tell them waiting be the other people wait they want campaign, they want become governor. Make all of them just come out 1 second now see the one Sunday and even you see John Sage self, that one don't see they come and they can try campaign. Make all of them, if they really mean well for the state, make all of them just come now, say, yes, let's work together. We don't say and say the problem we will get, not be people with the internet, not be even them, not be mega comrade, not be the rest people. The people with problem what they get now, people where they under PDP and APC with witchcraft mind, evil mind, no, that does not have good intention, that have been leading, that have been in power since 1960 something date, we not get light, we not get roads, we not get good stadium, we not get good transport station, we not get water, we not even our mama papa, they see they enter back of pickup, police they beat their head, they beat their teeth, they not see even road not there for them to take bring out their crops, come sell for public. Even the one where people back by way, even the best job we will get for Nigeria will be either to KK driver or hairdressing salon or tailoring. All these same people now, they will still come out. You go see, and this one will come, go say be internal revenue. The other one will come, go be say be government revenue. The other one will say be thief revenue. The other one will say be criminal revenue. All of them will come with government heading paper, letter heading paper of a government. Can't they deceive all these people? They collect money from them. You go see about 20 people different from government. One can draw only one tailor fashion designer money. How will they survive all this one? So the people who will get us a problem may be our government. So if there is a possibility and there is a way where you go fit it talk to all these people, make them come together, meet trust mega comrade, 1 second, it go work along with them. Hence, they're ready to feast each state, each community, each area where you belong to. Because Edo State big. We get Isham, we get Isako, we get Equale, we get Uzo, we get all of the name it all of them food there. So Igbanke, so all of them there. So all these people go face their communities. All these people go face their area. I see some people come out from I don't know, from Agbede, I don't know whether I will. Then they contest, they call Obaseki. I can't laugh. Now Obaseki you want call, you not go ask the person where they represent you now, where they represent your community, where they represent your locality, where they represent you now. Una no go understand all this to say, see how they work. Somebody there where they represent each zone. Person there where they represent una. Make una ask him. The governor not they give una allocation. They not they allocate money, say they made them una take Fish Road, take build school for our village, take build hospital for our village. They not they give you money. Then the best thing, tell us so that we know how we by ourselves go cry, go meet government. So make all of una begin hold the people where they represent una, because each community, each villages, somebody there where they call chairman, call a local district, call everything where they represent everybody, and all these people they grow fat. They and their family, all of them they grow fat. All of them don't reach their children. You know they see their family now. They are abroad. They don't feel go on like saying that they go backyard. So what you want to know now? That's to tell you say these people waiting really important is for us all to begin understand, say, government, politics, these people, we all need to hold these people where they represent us. Hold them for trouser, hold them for brokers, hold them. Anybody will represent you. If you get if once, just look for their name, enter Google, find out their name, come out. Once you bring their name, come out, begin hold them, begin ask the question. You begin answer all of the questions, begin question them, begin draw all of them. You go see, say the next seconds, everything go be better, because every each villages, a tenant or why they use pidgin English, because I get different tribe for Edo State. We get different tribe. Edo State now be where Jesus Christ called, say, where they want go look for how to know, how to see God. With them, they build stories, they go. As they build stories, they go. Now there God calls all of them, where they begin speak different language. You know how many language they only Edo State? So all these things. So it's hard time with all these languages. Now, so all of them get to the represent now. Who person will go they draw now money? It be like when you get family now, then papa leave money for grant or get company. somebody first son must dey there wey go dey take all the money, or even the second son wey go dey take the money from the company, or go dey take some allowances wey social company dey give for that land. So person don already dey wey dey represent your village, wey dey represent una. I take God beg una, make una know all of them. So all these people now reach, now make una begin hold them for broadcast. You wey be say don dey feel know, wey don dey know your left from your right, find a way to hold all these people for broadcast, because we don tire to come dey see say somebody deputy governor go come dey commission one solar traffic power energy, come dey give us toilet wey no get meaning. This one not be Edo State. So but if you can't talk about the Edo State, go see Obaseki, e go dey create road. The gutter wey go dey, the gutter not get where they go. Either they want go enter the other poor people parlor or their house. E go control and go carry control put for poor people house. Make water for when rain start to fall, e go dey carry out the people house, because poor people they don't know, they don't get who they want go call, make come help them. Neither they know they are left from the right to take a right lawyer not even there. So my people, I take God beg una. So not be say we dey talk all this thing because we hate them, but we don't see and say wetin they get. Their intention, e pass demon on, e pass wind show, e pass evil on. They don't even know their right, from their left. So make una do everything possible to find a way on how to take remove these people comot for our community, because we need a new hand, a fresh hand, a man that who will have a heart of say, yes, I can work with you, hence you have good intention. This is what we need. Now we don't need people who be say yes, you collect money, you keep for yourself. You want drive luxury cars. You want build good house. Somebody will come up from Edo State, you go to build house, come they draw everybody, make them come and Lagos, come to build house. If you give such people opportunity to come become your governor tomorrow, where you not get better person, we get good house, we go monitor them. You go pack all the money, go build house for Abuja, go build house for Dubai. Go begin tell everybody, say now everyone Dubai now better pass to build house now. Nigeria not good. Tell me, if we get the right person, which is not good for Nigeria. Now the soil, now the economy. Now tell me one way not good for Nigeria. Now shit you, if you chop corn, you not break am with teeth inside belly. If you shit and throw away, the next day go grow. If you chop mango, you throw away for ground, it go grow. Waiting else, apart from this, they are this thing where they come, they carry corner where they want to frustrate our soil. We not good. All this they are fake what do they call that? GMO things where they want to frustrate all of us. When once come they give us gari we not get meaning. They give us fruit we not get meaning. Our own they okay for us. I take God beg una. All these things. If your mama tell me one person we did this abroad now, we not come out from one village. But go your village since they born you, or since you hear about your parents. Go and look at your village the same way before now, so it be. Not talk say your village. Hey, my village. If you go Magbana, it don't develop. It don't open. It don't big. Go check and it big for nothing. There is nothing like plans. Government not build company. It not allow private people see light. Can't invest for your community. The only thing they need to do now just to concede the land. If Obaseki has land plenty rich now, he get a better plan. He not go build the which they will take they produce all those our cocoyam, take they change them to different things. Take all those our plantain, take they change them to different things. All those our things we will get for village with different kind of things. You know, build companies we go. You know, allow investors give say light. Funke no okay, more na check and Funke no he say na Funke want continue. They say na Funke want continue now. How person will be say nothing they give person light 20 for 31 days or 29 days or 30 days. Enough he give person for many years since 1960. How you still allow such person to still be in charge of power supply? If you don't know in left, you don't know in right, and these people, PDP and APC, they are still working with the same people. Hence, so far they get life for their own house. How I go come carry say na me one come the supply power now. The engineers when they bring they come. I ask them, my people need light 247. If you know say there is no means of giving me 247 light, pack your load and go. Not before the same PDP and APC now go still stand for these people back. Allow them, make them come meet you for house. For after 29 days, they will come give you light for 2 hours. They know say that very moment you need them. Person wey carry job, a welder wey carry job from maybe one person wey wan build house, one Acatarian. The house now, they wait say they will soon finish in job, finish in gate. At the end, no light to finish am. Then the month go end now, you see police. Aya Matanga, wetin they call all of them, they go pack, join the same NEPA, come they draw people money. Now this kind of government we want to they follow. Now this kind of people we want to they follow. I tell God beg una, this vision 2020 as it just come. But una not use Sowore eye take look am. But una not use every other person eye take look am. Make we know say Kano State, they not get seaport. But today, train, they land there, they go drop goods there with container. Now, those states where get seaport, those states where get better airport, or Obaseki comot, he can't say na night landing, cargo landing, na we want get for those states. He never fit do day home, na night too. And I know as those states, some people they will be saying na night, na they take they fly. So whether na that side na it belong to, me not can know. Because the whole thing they confuse me. Person wey go comot for daytime, not fit build airport. He can't they build airport, he say na night too, na him prefer. So my people, I tell God beg una, if we want the state to good, we get the land, we get the resources, we get everything. We go make the whole thing work accordingly. So the only thing that they beg una, let's work with this vision 2020. No matter how it be, this one are for everybody. You see, I'm this man, the other one will come, he go come cause am. The other one will come, he go come cause am. And these people forget, say, government, since whether they promise, they say their village, once they give the cast their vote for them, they go build schools, they go build healthcare. Go check your village, whether you don't see all those schools or see the healthcare, whether road don't they. You wait, then don't come, Dumagba or the other place don't develop. Go check and whether you not get better gutters or not get better healthcare or school day there now where BC children go get better pitch with them for the play ball, with them for the do exercise, where children go better library, where children go carry better book, free book they read so that make them educate themselves. Go check. Government not get all these things for head. Go check road. Whether you see road, they don't do road for since that one a new community. Road now they create road. Say this place now for people who not get leg. This place now for people who they ride bicycle. This place now for people who they use keke na peg. This place now for people who they work out with foot. These people they not made way for you and me. So the only thing they know now how to kill you. How will still come on for abroad, constantly live in this, constantly live with the same ideas where our papa and mama live. It makes sense like that. These are civilized people. These one are people who now they call professor, call all sort of name. It's happy speak English. Now English we want chop. Na to bring Oibo mark can they show you for television, newspaper. Now we want chop. When there's nothing to write home about, now to call the commission one traffic light. Carry all your carry everybody along. You want call the commission one traffic light. Now waiting we want be this. See all of them. See you see police, see soldier, all of them come. Camera, everything come. You are say even the press man or whatsoever you call yourself. How you follow this kind of man when they do this kind of job? You as a policeman, a soldier. How you go follow this kind of man when they commission this kind of thing? You not go ask your question. Nigeria not be all of us. So how somebody go come spend millions of dollars and pounds till they commission one public toilet, come they commission one traffic light, and you as a soldier man will be saying supposed to be a law and order abiding citizens. That's where suppose you now we're supposed to they catch thief. How now can they follow thief? Can they destroy the country? This is why I say even the police idea, all the people will be the head, where they sack police, they sack Mopo, they remove them come off from work anyhow. Then you will just see before you knew it, they will tell you say dismiss all this Mopo, dismiss all this soldier. Because of say that they're hungry for camp, they don't see food chop, they want to go find where they'll feed chop. They will dismiss all of them. Best way be say don't they carry gun. When you train how to carry gun, how to dismantle, how to enrage within a second. You scatter the people for city. I see the right come and say they catch soldiers, we go thief. The car soldiers will go thief. Everybody they write. No, they're supposed to sack soldiers. How you constantly make the matter they live? How you say me take care of your family? How you constantly take care of your family, the children where you get? When I know as our first men are be born. How don't they continue to take care of their family? Not be gun, they know how to shoot. Not be how to arrange gun, how to kill. Not be them they learn. So which job when I can't teach them, when I they sack them, when I they remove them, come on from office? It makes sense. My people, I not come to talk, take una time too much, because me, myself, the thing they tire me, they vex me. May God bless una as una join, because a yare the love here, me, but why you talk, tie me, or are was again. So my people, I thank una as una don't they understand, as all of una don't they understand. I salute you, my brother. So Vision 2020, me, I never start to the campaign. Una know say una they know say I never start. But when I start, I dey try to make sure say I fair put everything in order so that make it for good. Everybody, we all go feel, we go feel the impact. Yes, there's differences, not be how they lead us. I salute you, Madam Helly. I salute you, my brother Peter. I know, maybe I not check. Hey, Piro, I see you. I salute you. Now, I not check because sometimes the way they think they do, I know they see what people they write. So I thank una, so I take una time. So if we continue to follow these people, we are making a big mistake. If we continue to allow these people, you as a man, a woman, you love PDP, you love APC. But one thing I always ask you now, there is no way it be say suffer go day will not go affect you. The only people where they enjoy now be people where be say it be oga at the top. People where be say it they really destroy. Where they the top. We give you that 10 million, we give you that 5 million. May you take go, they do waiting bad. Now let them and their children they enjoy. Nigeria good. This man good. The children not they go your school. The children not they go your hospital. The moment they enter office, their children now abroad, now they go they take treatment. Their children now abroad, now they for go to school. Their children now abroad. You go see this one now Minister of Education. Go check the school where their children they go. This one now the other one. Go check the school where they go. All of them are abroad. Tell me how this will take feast your country, where you go benefit from her, where you go be proud of her tomorrow, or where you be say yes, your children will grow say yes, this is my country. I live now with this music because this my brother, it they hit me small. John the Coca, I see you, brother. God will bless you. Nathaniel Rome, I see you. That's nothing. I see you. God bless you, brother. Keep doing what you know how to do. Flora, I see you. Thanks a lot. Steve Wonder. Hey, I salute you, brother. God bless you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, Piro, I know you know say I know they block people anyhow. I know that be block. Sunday, I see you. I salute you, respect. Francis Omoka, I see you, brother. Respect. Mama, the Bologna, this woman, a good guy. These one are people who want our country to better. God will bless you, ma'am. Keep on doing what you know how to do. God will bless you richly. I see you, Ima Fidon. God bless you. Thanks a lot. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Harleen, I see you. Olamide. Now the one where they sing that be this one. I salute you. Thanks a lot. Prince Osa, I see you. Igbinesun, I salute you from far. Prince, I salute you. God bless you. Francis, I still salute you. Western, I see you. I salute you. John the Coca, God bless you. Gimare Lobe di Miami Amen. Namu dia mega comrade. Not the well in Mafu. Because Faith, I salute you from Faith to Sazua. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Iye Kyoya, don't tell. I don't say you know they see me again. Thanks you, but you come late. Help me they play the music and share up. God bless you all because when I really want the country to go, that's why all of una dey here. I take God beg una. Make una no look and say PDP, APC. I get brother there. I get friend there. If you look am, we are all making a mistake. We dey complain today. Our brothers, if you check am really, Tell me anybody wey not the same money go give him brother or sister to take go school for Nigeria. Ask yourself why. Your brother or your sister wey spend 4 years for school, 3 years for school, 6 years for school. Show me anyone wey get office wey for the work. Show me anyone wey be say flat as he finish school flat the way for him. Osakwena he don't go dey do his own job. Wetin he read for school and not get where to use am. That was those one are people wey supposed to come dey remanufacture our state for us with wetin he get for head. No place for them to use am. The only thing where the job we go get na to dey do agbero follow the same people wey dey kill us. Abat go carry a whole resort. He carry up for side house. Wait till he read now we're supposed to take a chop now. You see and say our government frustrate and reach now bush now they follow they go now. Go they sell land, go they build house. Maybe that one not be waiting he read now. So I could not hold they read that one. Me never hear say about read that one. Check all of them. Make una ask yourself all these questions. It makes sense like that, my people. Because these people where they rule us, they're not ready to let things work. You where they send money, go train your family. You want to make your brother go school, you want to make your sister go school. At the end, they still they tell you, say, I want to come abroad. The people where would they stand for NAS, PDP, and APC, they mean well like that. People where graduate for abroad, where if he go school, become a graduate for abroad. We all know now, maybe we use our tongue, take count our teeth. Waiting then they be how much they receive every month, every 2 weeks. Millions of pounds and dollars. They don't be say naira. Neither they receive. How come our own? With that man, that woman, you go see people where be say get talent. We're supposed to they play ball. We're supposed to they run, supposed to they swim. We get all of them. Even if you talk about wish, we get all of them. Who go fit make car, go fit build house, we get all of them. Why be say there's no platform for these people to utilize all these things where they get? Why? Because the people who now go vote put as PDP and APC to come they take charge, they not get all this anything to call leadership for their head. They not get plan for you and me. They not get time. So how will we continue the class for these people? Maybe they ask ourselves question. I know say una go verse say maybe one thing, but I want una to use una tongue to count una teeth. How a graduate go comot job not the way for her. The only thing way the way for her either to come join kidnapping or to come join people with the thief ballot paper. To come join people wey be say yes, now we they destroy this area. Now we you not know me. Now me they go seize a 2K driver, but seize all of them. Now me they go market, go they disturb all those mama and papa. Wey be say don't go suffer for farm, suffer for road way not there. Suffer go still recharge light not the way for her. Now go they distract them. Now that thing now your results supposed to they do. Is that what you read that you go to school for? Now wait till you go read for school, spend all your time for school, go do now be that. Does that resemble what you read for school? Go now ask yourself question. So it's a time for you people to understand. Say we not hate una, but make una get sense. Make una begin see this thing the right way. How somebody, a governor, can spend millions till they commission one traffic light, solar traffic light. One, I don't fair tell una before. If they tell una say na million be traffic, be solar power, wide one. Give me just 50 euro. Give me just 100 euro. I go the supply on a big one, both the battery and everything. The panel, big one, not be all those small one where they put for here now. This one, you know how much they will tell you. Me go bring the one way wide, like no silly. That's holding the silly for Nigeria. The one way wide, just like that for 100 euro. I will bring and come for una. I not say, but you may not. I not say una give me. Una just tell me say I will give una the site. Give una the site where una for una banner self go call una banner self do the business together with the white people, not be me. Now so my life be so that una see whether I say not be cheating. Now that the children come they give una the one will be like slate with the take the right for school Gary. Come they tell una say na billions, na millions, na billions. May God punish all of una. So punish all of them where they do una these things. So I take God beg una, make una find way, make una understand say these people don't mean well. You not fit get better football for leg. You not get pitch where you want for use and play. You not fit get better hand to take where you supposed to take play better hockey game or play better basketball or take do better thing or take swim. You not see where They not build any swimming pool. They not build anything. They not build stadium. They not build anything where be say you figure they use all those things. Wait till we come find for this world. Not be for us to just come this world, come enjoy and go back. Why be say Nigeria, they not even create anything where they feel as say waiting human be they see for one time. The only one thing where we done the see since 1960. Either roadway not good, roadway not get meaning. Where be say if you pass and if you drive your white motor come out, if you they come back, you don't turn to shit. There's no road where you they go say sometimes you not go reach there. Only one road, one Lagos road where we get for how many years. They never fit think of how way better land, better ground they think of how to do and we be say we'll get waiting go they carry up person fly over underground. So my people, now waiting will they try to talk now how to me say all these things they can't work for us all. Now they talk. So not be say I hate these people, but I hate them for their evil because their evil don't do much. God bless you all. Bye bye for now. I salute you in your career. I see you. Thanks, man. Why will you talk? May we find the trouble down now. This people need to get out from power. Check them, see and read them. Cross River State. Deputy Governor arrived with encourage to commission one solar traffic light. Not be two, one. See all of them. See our police we no even know see fine girl with good degree, good result. He carry train one commission just traffic light. Now so we come mumu reach. See public toilet, e no get meaning. See wetin governor wan call commission. See the ground. Once he don commission this one, now he go reach here again. See the building, more than see and look the pillar. You see anything where they do well here? This 21st century now we see they build house. They put a staircase for outside. Go and look am. It makes sense. Go and look at my people. It makes sense. Before I come on, see. All these people get better degree. See television station, carry camera, come dey feed one. See, this thing where they call so that I be this one I see here so. See, and I be the one where just dey inside here so. See, now this one, see, they put rope. See the rope. See, and I they call so. It makes sense, my people. I beg, God bless you all. I tell you.